Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. Let's start the new topic of the physics, current electricity. I sent material for a theory revision as well as questions to all of you. Let's start it. So let us start with first question. If you have solved it, please type the answer in chat box. Okay, let's understand question. Figure shows a simple potentiometer circuit for measuring a small EMF produced by a thermocouple. The meter wire PQ. Remember, PQ is a 1 meter. 1 meter. There's a resistance 5 ohm. The driver cell has an EMF of 2 volts. So this is 2 volt given. If a balance point is obtained, 0.6 meter along PQ. So it is 0.6 meter along PQ. When measuring an EMF of 6 milliwatt, it means difference, potential difference between P and S is 6 milliwatt. What is the value of resistance? A good question. You've done tougher question than this in your textbook. Potential difference across PS is 6 milliwatt. Now V equal to IR. This is 6 milliwatt. I want to find current. What is current here? Resistance of PS. Resistance of PQ is 5 ohm. So 1 meter, 5 ohm. So 0.6 meter. What is the resistance? 0.6 into 5, that is 3. So I will be 2 milliampere. So current in the circuit is 2 milliampere. Understood? Now total resistance, current will be total V upon total R. Total R will be resistance of wire PQ plus this R. Now this is 2 milliampere. This is 2 volt. R આપણે find કરવાનો છે. This is 5. R plus 5 equal to 1 upon 10 raised to minus 3. So R will be 1000 minus 5. That will be 995. So answer will be option A. I hope it is clear. It's a good question. Let us go for the next question. EMF is 12 volt. Internal resistance is 0.05. If a starter motor draws a current of 90 ampere terminal voltage, what is the formula for terminal voltage? E minus IR. So based on formula only. 12 volt minus 90 minus 0.05. 9 5 are 45. 12 minus 4.5. That comes to 7.5 volt. Easy question. Question number 3. If a balance point obtained at the 35th centimeter in a meter bridge, the resistance in the left and right gaps are in ratio. Let us recall meter bridge. This kind of arrangement you were having. This is the balance point. If this is 35 centimeter, then it must be 65 centimeter, 1 meter length. Let this wire is P, this wire is Q. So P upon Q, let it be X. So it is resistance of AX upon resistance of XB. Resistance equal to rho L by A. L means 35. Area means A. This is rho 65 upon area. This will be cancelled. So it will be 35 upon 65. 7 upon 13. Question number 4. Equivalent resistance across terminals. Let it be A, let it be B. આપણે A and B વચ્ચેનો resistance find કરવો છે. Is it fine? Remember, this is also A. જ્યાં સુધી કોઈ circuit component ન આવે, till that point, A will remain A. These all are B, if you remember, and if you recall it. Let it be point C, let it be point D. That will be D, that will be D. We want to find between A and B. This is between AB, this is AD, this is between AD. So that is 10 ohm. That is 15 ohm. This is between A and C. Let me take C somewhere here. 6 ohm. This is between B and C. 8 ohm, 8 ohm. And this is between B and D, that is 4 ohm. So this is equivalent circuit. This is 8. So here 10 and 15 are in parallel. 10 and 15 are in parallel. So what is equivalent of 10 and 15? 10 into 15 upon 10 plus 15. 150 by 25, that is 6 ohm. 8, 8, no equivalent 4. So 6 plus 4, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. Upper 10, niche 10. Both these 10 are parallel to each other. So equivalent is 5. I hope it is clear to all of you. Answer will be option B. It's a very basic level question. I hope it is clear to all. Okay. The figure here shows a portion of a current. What are the magnitude and direction of the current I in the lower right hand wire? Here we need to find direction and current. This is Kirchhoff first law. Remember, this is 1 ampere, this is 2 ampere. So this must be 3 ampere entering. Okay, this is 5 ampere. 3 plus 2 will make it 5. So 5 entering, 3 leaving. It means we must have 2 ampere downward, 4 ampere upward, 2 ampere downward will make it 6 ampere. 6 ampere towards right, 2 ampere. So we have this one as a 8 ampere. So answer will be option B. Let's go for the next question. A carbon resistor has color strips as violet, yellow, brown, and golden. The resistance is, I hope you must have clear idea about BB Roy, Great Britain, via Gateway of India, like that. Fine. So violet stands for BB Roy, Great Britain, via. It comes to, I guess, 7. So violet stands for 7. Roy, Y yellow for 4. Brown, black brown, and golden for plus or minus 5%. This is tens digit. This is unit digit. Will multiply with the power of 1. That will make it 740 plus or minus 5%. It means any value that is plus or minus 5% of 740 ohm, is a valid answer. So that comes to option B. Okay, they should not give you this option, but you should choose the nearest one, most nearest answer. Yes, answer is option B, correct. Let us go for the next question. A voltmeter of resistance 1000 ohm. The resistance of this voltmeter is 1000 ohm. It's connected across a resistance of 500 ohm in a given circuit. What will be the reading of voltmeter? So we want to find reading of this voltmeter. So it means 500 and 1000 are connected in parallel. So 500 and 1000 parallel will be 1000 by 3. Okay, let us recall few things. If you remember, then we did a practice like this. If resistance R and 2R are in parallel, equivalent will be 2R by 3. If R and 3R are in parallel, equivalent will be 3R by 4. Same way, if R and NR, it means one resistance is n times than other, then equivalent is higher resistance upon n plus 1. It means 1000 is double than 500. So answer is double upon 3. They are connected across 10 volt. It means 10 volt is divided between these two. Current is same in both. V is equal to IR. Current is same. So V proportional to R. Let it be 1. Let 500 ohm resistance potential be 2. That will be 1000 upon 3 upon 500. That is 2 by 3. Understood? So now this 10 volt is divided in a proportion of 2s to 3. What? 2s to 3. So it will be 4 volt and 6 volt respectively. So here we have 4 volt and here we have 6 volt. So if here we have 4 volt, both are in parallel. So here also there is a 4 volt. So answer will be 4 volt. That is 4. Answer option D. Next question. A beam contains 2 into 10 raised to 8 doubly charged positive ions per cubic centimeter. Understand it. 1 cubic centimeter, it means 1 centimeter length, breadth and height. It means in volume શું થશે? Length meter, breadth meter, height meter. So it is 10 raised to minus 6 meter cube. Of which are all of which are moving with a speed of 10 raised to 5 meter per second. So what is the drip velocity of the charge? 10 raised to 5 meter per second. Current density. Current density means current upon area. What is the formula for the current? Current formula is Ohni. You should remember this way. V means charge upon area. This is cancelled. So this is the formula for the current density. Fine. Drip velocity 10 raised to 5. N for number of charge particles per unit volume. Per unit volume. Kila particles say that is 2 into 10 raised to 8 in volume of 10 raised to minus 6. So this are the number of particles per unit volume. What is the charge of each particle? Doubly charged. That is 2 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. It is doubly charged mentioned. So if you simplify all and get the answer, then answer will be option A, 6.4 meter per ampere per meter square. Check it out. If you're not getting A, just let me know. We'll do the calculation. Next question. In the circuit shown, the reading of ammeter when switch S is open. Switch is open, it means upper resistance has no significance. Fine. And when switch S is closed, respectively are open while current will flow this way. It means 20 upon 3 plus 2, 5 ampere. Sorry, 5 ohm, that is 4 ampere. So initially current is 4 ampere. Suppose switch is closed, it means 2 and 2 are in parallel. 2 to parallel equivalent will be 1. That 1 for this and 3 for this. That is 4 ohm. Then current will be 20 by 4, that is 5 ampere. That is answer option B. Easy question. Remember, along with the few difficult question, there will be many easy question. These questions are jumbled along with the few difficult question. Remember, your first aim is to identify easy and medium questions at first sight. So just go through the question, identify easy and medium, first solve it, and then at last spend time for the tough question. You should not spend more time initially for the tough question. You should not miss any easy question under any circumstances. Okay. In the circuit as shown in the figure, as shown in figure, we have to find resistance, current through 20 ohm resistance, potential difference across middle resistances means 10 ohm, and all the options are correct. It means we have to solve all. Okay. You can see that this 10, 10 and 20 are in parallel. 10, 10 equivalent is 5. 5 and 20 are in parallel. So equivalent will be 5 and 20. 20 means 4 times. So 20 upon 5. 20 upon 5, that is 4 ohm. So the resistance of this part is 4 ohm. Now current is given I equal to V by 4 plus R, and current is 0.5 ampere. V is 25. V given here is 25. So if I put 25 here, then 4 plus R is 50. Then R is 46 ohm. So first option is correct. But we have one option, all of the above. It means we have to check for others also. Okay. So current is 0.5 ampere. Now this 0.5 ampere will be divided into 3 parts. Now 10 equivalent is 5. So it would be like this: 5 ampere, 5 ohm, 20 ohm, and 0.5 ampere will be divided here and here. I'm interested to find the current through 20 ohm. The V will be common to both of them. So V is equal to IR. So current is inversely proportional to R because V is constant. So I of 20 upon I of 5 will be 5 upon 20. That is 1 upon 4. It means 0.5 ampere is divided in a proportion of 1:4. 1:4. So that is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, and 0.5. So here current will be 0.1 ampere. So this is also correct. This is correct. This is correct. It means it has to be correct. You check it out at home for option C. Fine. Just a minute, everybody. Okay. Let's understand. We have cube. We know we need to find the resistance. Resistance is proportional to length and inversely proportional to area. This is the case. Now આપણે find કરવાનો છે કોનો resistance વધારે છે. AA, that is top and bottom. BB means left and right face, and CC means front and back. હવે આપણે ટોપ બોટમ નો ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ, ટોપ બોટમ નો, તો ઉપરનો એરિયા કેટલો? ઉપરનો એરિયા 4x into 2x એટલે 8x થશે, અને લેન્થ કેટલી? 1x. ઉપરથી નીચેની લેન્થ કેટલી? 1x. BB નો ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ, લેફ્ટ અને રાઈટ, તો આ એરિયા કેટલો થાય? તો કે આ લેન્થ x છે and this is 4x. So area will be 4x into x, that is 4, and this length is 2, that is 1/2. And if we find CC, that is front and back, so front area is 2 into 1 and its length is 4. So which resistance is higher? CC. Remember, more length means more resistance, more area means less resistance. I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay, few of you have given correct answer. Yes, many have given the correct answer. Twinkle, Krusha, yes, Faldu, Yagnik. Let us go for the next question. Okay, a battery is connected to a uniform resistance wire AB, and B has been, you can see that earthing has been provided to B. Which one of the graphs below shows how the current density J varies along AB? Now we want to find current density along AB. What is the formula for the current density? That is I by A. Now current remains same along AB. Area is also same. So this is constant. So it is answer option D. Remember, this is a tricky question. There is no significance of this earthing. Earthing is just making sure that B has a potential 0. Nothing else. Whenever you are given an earthing and if you need to use the concept of a potential, you should take the point which has been provided an earthing has 0 potential. There is no other meaning. એનો કોઈ બીજો meaning લેવાનો જ નથી. Majority of the case is it is making students confused. So don't be confused. The last question for today. A cylindrical metal wire of length L, cross section area S, resistance R, conductance G, conductivity sigma and resistivity rho. Which of the following expression for sigma is valid? This is purely based on unit and dimension. Fine. Let us recall. At the area say this is length, this is resistance, conductance. Conductance is 1 upon resistance. Conductivity is 1 upon resistivity. Fine. So just take the unit, you will get the answer. Fine. Answer for question number 14 is option A. Option A means we want to find the correct expression for sigma. You can see that G and R are reciprocal of each other. So it is 1 and sigma is 1 upon rho. Fine. Okay, we'll keep up to here today. I'll send the link for the next session.